Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox you the doormats, the pair of doormats which are at very reasonable cost, which is 50 rupees each. See here, I'll show you the quality, and I want to show you the condition of these doormats after using it for 1 year, because I have a previous purchase of the same material and the same doormats, and what is the condition after using it for the 1 year. And I'll also show you, and these are for 50 rupees each, so I'll just be keeping it here, and this one also I'll be taking this out. See, yeah, so yeah, just keep it at the top for a few seconds, and see here, the fur is very good at 50 rupees. Believe me, this is very reasonable. And I told you that after using it for 1 year, see here, this also. And remember, these doormats I purchased offline, means near my market only I purchased, and the fur and everything was just lost, I guess. No, not exactly lost, but the condition is like this one. It was almost like 1.5 year, not also 1 year. And the basic reason for me buying this is to keep at the kitchen place. And when I see the reasonable prices on online in meesho, it is saying like 5 piece premium doormats combo, which is for rupees 140. See here, this is the 140. If possible, I'll attach in the view products, you can check. This is not a recommendation to buy. The main reason for me purchasing this is, see, to keep it at the kitchen area, because the water from here, sometimes this is just beside the sink, right? The water sometimes falls here on the ground, so it would be better to stand here. So uh, to prevent this clumsiness or dirtiness here by spilling of the water. And yeah, and please do comment your opinions in the comment section below, that how is the product for 50 rupees, the doormat. And the quality is pretty good, and for 50 rupees budget, I really like these doormats. And yeah, please do comment your questions.